Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you. If you're a enthusiast, a carpenter, or just someone who loves precision, you're going to want to pay close attention to this. Introducing the 200mm 300mm digital angle ruler stainless steel electronic angle meter electronic protractor goniometer digital angle gauge. Yes, that's quite the mouthful, but trust me when I say that this little gadget is an absolute gamechanger. Whether you're working on wood, metal, or any other material, this digital angle ruler will make your life so much easier. No more squinting at traditional protractors and struggling to get the perfect angle. With this electronic protractor, you'll get accurate readings every single time. And the best part? It's made of durable stainless steel, so you know it's built to last. This isn't some flimsy tool that will let you down when you need it the most. This is a professional-grade instrument that will have your back on every project. But wait, there's more. Not only does this digital angle gauge measure angles with precision, but it also has a hold function, so you can lock in your measurements for easy reference. Plus, it has a large AcidoRead LCD display, so you'll never have to squint or strain your eyes again. So, if you're serious about your craft and you demand nothing but the best, then this is the tool for you. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to accuracy with the 200mm 300mm digital angle ruler stainless steel electronic angle meter electronic protractor goniometer digital angle gauge. Still not convinced? Well, here's the best part. You can find the link to purchase this incredible tool in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your work to the next level. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gamechanger tools and tips. Happy crafting!